Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate from Webflow CMS to Grigora blog. First, go to the Webflow site dashboard. After going to the dashboard, navigate to Site Settings. In Site Settings, go to Apps and Integration. Then scroll down to the API section. Click on Generate API Token. Name your token. After naming, you need to give read-only permission to Assets, CMS, and Sites. Then generate the token. Copy this token. Now go to the Grigora site dashboard, click on Settings. Go to Migration and select Webflow. Paste the API token in this input. Click on Connect Workspace. Then select your site. Select Blog Posts and configure inputs. Click on Start Migration. After clicking Start Migration, the migration will begin. After migration completes, you can see in the Grigora's Posts section that your Webflow posts have been imported. This is how you can migrate your Webflow CMS content to Grigora blog. Try this to transfer your content seamlessly. See you in the next tutorial.